Hi guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing day 13 and day 14 in my December daily. I will say I am running a little bit out of steam. I've done 16, actually no, I've done more than 16 pages. I've done 18 pages now in 4 days and I'm running out of a little bit of steam, so I'm going to go with a really kind of calm layout today. So what I'm documenting this story is just the kind of food platters that I had this Christmas season. This was one at work. We used to, every time we would have like a student-free day or like a staff lunch, me and my team, we would have a nice platter. We'd all bring things and we contribute to it. So that one there. And then Max and I, one of our Christmas traditions is to have a little platter of food. So this is one here. I kind of put this card on here because I wanted it to be very red, because you can see a lot of red here. So this was like one of the red cards that I had, and I thought, you know, kind of like naughty, I guess. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to mat the photo here on the back. If you're wondering why there's a sticker here, this is someone's face and I just wanted to cover it up. It wasn't the most like amazing photo, so I just wanted to cover it up for them because I know they wouldn't have been happy seeing it. So we're just doing this. I like to do it because it makes it look a little bit more clean, I find. And you don't need a lot of double-sided tape to do this. It's just kind of stick it together. This is the card that's on the back. Before I film these videos, I do choose the cards that I'm going to do because that's kind of something that's a little bit time consuming. I would say to make each page, it takes me from start to finish. That's obviously not including if I edited the photo or if I was doing like just a simple page like this, is about 10-ish minutes to do this page here. So I'm going to put the number on here. This is number 13. I knew I was going to put the number here, which is why I put a sticker there as well. I'm using the Heidi Swap Fantastic Alpha set. It comes with a lot of numbers, so that's why I'm using it, I think. Oh no, it's not Heidi Swap, it's Dear Lizzy. I'm using the Dear Lizzy ones. So that's going to go in here, and I have this card, and I want to trim my photo down a little bit. I'm going to pop it. And here I want to angle it a little bit, and then I'm going to put a sticker on the side. I'd love a sticker that said like Christmas feast, but I don't think that's going to happen. I don't know why, I've always loved the idea of turning my photos to the side. So I'm going to look at the Busy Sidewalks sticker sheet, see if there's anything that will kind of go. There's a lot of cookies on this sticker sheet, but not a lot of anything else. I think I might use the house because it was at home. So I know that that's a really big stretch, but what I'm going to do, and then there's also a red house as well. I'm going to stick that on. I know this little bit's sticking out. Like that, and then I'm gonna put a word on there. This is the Reject Store sticker sheet, so I'm just looking for one. So I'm going with Tidings of Great Joy and Happy Holidays. And that is going to be story 13 finished. So let's flip over now and do story 14. So story 14 is every year I like to buy a new Christmas mug. So these are the ones that I purchased this year. I know I have this Cozy a Wee sticker from the Busy Sidewalks collection, and I already knew that I wanted to pop it on here. I'm going to just reinforce with a little bit of hot glue, because the sticker quality isn't amazing. And then that's going to be the fuller card done. Like I said, running out of mojo, so I'm making it really simple. I'm going to do, well, I'm actually going to map these together first. So just take the double-sided tape, pop it down. Cut off the excess. I hope you guys are enjoying these December daily kind of process videos of how I'm doing each day. I hope it's giving you some story ideas, and I hope it's showing to you that this isn't a daunting project. Like, I know that you see the people who it's like, oh, I do it story 1 on the 1st of December. Like, that is really intimidating for the first time that you're doing December daily, so you don't have to do that. I don't know why I rounded the corners when I have a corner round. I just dropped my glue. I'm going to just tidy up those rounded corners because I tried to cut them and I'm not happy. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to journal about this story here, which is where I buy a new Christmas mug every year. These are the ones I got this year, and I'm going to journal in brown just because I think it'll be fun. This photo quality is not amazing, so next year I think something I want to do next year is work on my photo quality, because this project is meant to be all about the photos and the journaling, so I want to work on my photo quality. Like, it's not amazing, so I'm going to quickly journal about this. That's the journaling done. I do need to pop the number on there somewhere. I have this empty space underneath the journaling, so I might just pop it there. What number is this? 14. Sorry, I forgot what number I was doing. I'm going to use these Doodlebug Designs Teensy Type stickers. I've had these for years. I use them a lot in Project Life, which you guys don't really see. I don't make process videos for that. If you're interested to see them, I do have some older ones you could view, or if you'd like me to film some new ones, let me know and I could film some for you. I know that this is a bit different to some of my content. I love doing just crafting in general, so I do scrapbooking and I do Project Life. I also do Happy Mail projects and just kind of general paper crafting, and I do a little bit of mixed media stuff. So there we go, that's the 14 done. And that is that story finished and documented. Another kind of simple, clean page, but I'm kind of loving those at the moment because they're really quick to do. So I'll pop this in and we'll do a quick flip through. So you can hop off the video now if you don't want to see the flip through, but I thought I would just do one just to kind of show you the progression. It's getting really chunky, so I'm going to kind of minimalize what I'm doing from here on out. So here's my intentions and my first page. Then we have our story 1, just a little insert. Story 2, story 3 is a hybrid page. I have one of these coming up for you to show you how I do this. Story 4, story 5, story 6, a nice kind of filler page. 7 is just a photo of my Christmas tree. 8 is a photo of my dog. 9 is my 9 Christmas movies. 10 with a flip up. 11, 12 is just cards. We've got 13, which is like some food. 14 and 15, 16 I've already done, but I'm not going to show you yet. So stay tuned for Wednesday when you'll get to see these pages. Oh, I don't know if it's Wednesday, but it'll be in a couple of days. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're liking them, remember to subscribe and like. There's also a playlist. If you haven't seen any of the other ones, it is in the description box, so you can go and check out the playlist to see a process video of how I did all these pages. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.